Get your clothes on, get ready, got breakfast for you. Look, you get porridge, and it's happy to see you. Hey, get out of there. You're gonna make people sick.
Ooh, I can cook that. If there's one thing that can beat the Huns, it's starting the day with a healthy breakfast. Let's get down to business by combining chicken broth with washed long-grain white rice and a little bit of sea salt. Bring the broth to a rolling simmer, then stir in some rice vinegar and finely minced ginger for extra flavor. In the movie, Mulan is served a dish called Congee, which is basically a rice porridge or simple gruel that would have been easy for any army man to make on the road. The congee is made by slowly simmering the rice until it breaks down into a silky and creamy texture. The rice needs to simmer for about an hour before it starts to break down completely. The longer it cooks, the smoother it becomes. Some variations of congee are smooth and soupy, while others are thick with chunks of rice throughout. Congee can be served plain or topped with anything from green onions and soy sauce to chili flakes and mushrooms. In the movie, Mushu tops Mulan's congee with 2 quail eggs and a strip of bacon for a little boost of protein. This simple breakfast continues to be a real-life staple in Asian countries today. It's easy, delicious, and a filling way to start the day. What fictional feast should I make next? Let me know in the comments below. Do you ever get hungry? You can find this recipe and many others with ingredient amounts and step-by-step instructions over on thestarvingchefblog.com. If you liked this video, don't forget to flip that sub button and ring the dinner bell so you can be notified of my latest recipes and foodie adventures that I post every week. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next episode.